Yes, Mangli Saab, इधर कुमार
अरे यार today hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, good afternoon to everybody. Welcome to the glass factory. My name is Madhu. Introduce the master, the glass master. His name is Raul. Raul is making a small glass animal for you. It's because the Venetian glass manufacture is 1,000 years old craft. And there is no spoon for learning. It's still a family tradition. Guess, please, what kind of animal is it?
Dio. Dio.
Horse, right? Goda. As you can see, Raul still works like in the past centuries. I mean, each Venetian glass is still completely made by hand with pincers and scissors. In Venice, there is no school for learning. This is still a family tradition. Raw materials. What is glass made of? Who knows?
Sand, silicon.
Silica, sand, soda, and calcium carbonate. Okay, now have a look in next detail. Once the glass source is over, we have to put it into a cooling oven for 24 hours. It's because the glass has to cool down slowly by slowly. Otherwise, it gets rotten. If it cools down too fast, it gets rotten. It looks like a very famous Italian sport cars logo.
Ferrari.
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 Very nice.